Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that OpenxAI Network token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, OpenxAI Network is the first P2P permissionless AI protocol. What Bitcoin did for money, OpenxAI does for intelligence. Anyone, anywhere can launch, own and monetize AI apps, agents and services fully on-chain. No banks, no corporation, no gatekeepers. Intelligence become open, sovereign, unstoppable, and GPU compute turns liquid with tokenized credit DGPU, built by core contributors from Phantom, Solana, ICP, Binance, Near, and Aragon DAO. OpenxAI runs entirely on decentralized infrastructure, cutting GPU cost by up to 80%. OpenX AI network token total supply is 100 million and circulating supply is around 10 million. OpenX token is listed on MEXC, LBank, XC.com and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.